Hello, this is Nandita from Nandita's Rangoli. Today I will be showcasing a few premium pure cotton Dhakai Jamdani sarees. These are the new arrival ones for the upcoming festive season. We will not be disclosing the price here because, as you know, many of our clients, they buy from us in bulk and they sell it further to their clients. So if I disclose the price here, they will be having difficulty in selling them further to their clients. For any shopping assistance, for price, for availability, please DM or WhatsApp us at the number given below. This premium Dhakai Jamdani sari is hand woven by the master weavers in rural Bangladesh. This is in a jet black. These are new arrivals for the upcoming festive season. This has a border at the top and the same border at the bottom. Hand woven motifs in orange, magenta and yellow, and hint of zari work. Very little zari work, a hint of zaris are there. This is in jet black. This is the pallu of the sari. The motifs are from the start till the end. They are 100% hand woven. That you can make out from the reverse of the sari is 100% hand woven. Because the reverse and the front, they are almost the same. You can hardly make out the difference. So this shows that is a 100% hand woven sari. This is in a premium Dhakai Jamdani. The fabric is extremely fine, pure cotton. This premium pure cotton Dhakai Jamdani sari is in a shade of grey. A lovely grey color with a beautiful pallu. Hand woven motifs in off-white and grey. This is the border. The fabric is extremely light. It's a manageable sari in 100% pure cotton. Like all our other saris, the motifs are from the beginning till the end. A very pretty sari in mehendi green, rose pink and lime. Only at the center of these motifs, flower motifs, you will find that there are little zari work. So little zari only at the center of the motifs. A hand woven sari in premium pure Dhakai Jamdani, 100% pure cotton. A very manageable sari, lightweight. In mehendi green, rose pink and lime. This pretty Dhakai Jamdani sari is in a unique color, a very dark grey, what they call as a surma color in Dhaka. This has a rich red border, work all over from the beginning till the end. The lovely pallu. The border has got a hint of zari here. Yellow color, green, red, hand woven work all over the sari. Red, zari, green, yellow. This is an extremely manageable sari in a premium pure cotton, hand woven by a master weavers in rural Bangladesh. A very smart sari in a rich navy blue color with a lovely pallu. In beige, sea green, rust with little zari work at the centers. The body of the sari has got dots all over in the same color combinations of sea green, beige and rust. Border, a sleek border at the top and a sleek border also at the bottom with the same color combinations. A very lightweight, manageable, fine premium pure cotton hand woven Dhakai Jamdani. A very smart one. A premium pure cotton Dhakai Jamdani in a steel grey color. With lovely motifs in moss green with a hint of zari. Little zari here at the centers. This is the rich pallu. A very lightweight sari, easily manageable in premium cotton. 100% cotton, hand woven by a master weavers in rural Bangladesh. This Dhakai Jamdani sari is in off-white with grey motifs. This is the rich pallu of the sari. It's extremely beautiful. On off-white, grey hand-woven work with very little zari work. Zari only at the center. This is an extremely fine cotton. It's in a premium range. It's an extremely fine cotton, easily manageable, hand woven. The reverse of the sari will show you that it is a hand woven one because the reverse and the front of the sari is exactly the same. This is the reverse and this is the front. This sari has got work all over like all our other saris. From first to the last, work is there. For any shopping assistance, please DM or WhatsApp us at the number given below. This unique sari comes with a lovely blouse piece. A very pretty sari in beige color with an orange border, orange pallu, self-color motifs with a hint of zari at the center of the motifs. A very lightweight, a premium pure cotton Dhakai Jamdani sari, easily manageable. This unique Dhakai Jamdani pure cotton sari is woven in the Ganga Jamuna style. Black border at the top and a royal blue border at the bottom, with off-white motifs all over the sari. It's in premium pure cotton Dhakai Jamdani, hand woven by a master weavers in rural Bangladesh. It's an extremely manageable sari, a very lightweight sari. The pallu in royal blue and black. All our saris have got hand woven motifs from the beginning till the end. This premium pure cotton Dhakai Jamdani sari is in a rich ruby red color. The color is not coming exactly in the camera, but it is actually a very rich, pretty red color with hand woven work in orange, little red and zari. The uniqueness of the sari is that it has got 4 lines of borders at the top and 4 lines of border at the bottom. This is the pallu of the sari. Like all our hand woven pure cotton Dhakai Jamdani sari, this is extremely lightweight and it is highly manageable. And this sari comes with a matching blouse piece. A lovely Dhakai Jamdani sari in a unique blue color with hand woven motifs in light blue and light mauvish pink with a hint of zari. Just a hint of zari is there. It's a pretty blue. This sari is in premium pure cotton, hand woven by the master weavers in rural Bangladesh. The uniqueness of the sari is that there is a single border at the top and 8 rows of border at the bottom. This is the bottom of the sari, 8 rows are there, and this is the top where you have a single border. All over work is there. This sari comes with a lovely blouse piece. Like all our saris, our Dhakai Jamdani saris are hand woven. You can make out from the reverse of the sari, the front and the reverse, they are the same. A very smart sari in dark brown with hand woven work in zari, off-white and rust color. Slight zari in the border. Here is a little zari work, off-white, rust color. This is a very smart color, a very manageable sari. It's in premium pure cotton Dhakai Jamdani, a hand woven one like all our Dhakai Jamdani saris. And this comes with a matching blouse piece. A pretty sari in jet black color with small dots, hand woven dots all over the sari from first to last. The pallu, the smart border with a hint of zari here. Like all our Dhakai Jamdani saris, this sari is also a hand woven one in premium pure cotton, easily manageable and extremely lightweight. When you are buying an original hand woven sari, you are not only supporting a dream, but you are supporting a livelihood, you are supporting a craft, you are supporting a heritage. Thank you.